Before every broadcast, there's one important thing that you've got to do, and that's to load Lightstream, the desktop application, and the application will start, and you then have several options. So there's the application. I'm going to bring it center screen now. Just drag it over here. So I've logged in and I've not logged out, so that's why that's set. And the settings, you can allow screen displays, you can allow programs, you can allow audio devices, video devices, or you can deny. So you can allow or deny on all these, and text file folder is where your text files are actually stored. So you can change that if you wish, but you must load the Lightstream program at the beginning of every time, well, every time you're actually going to use Lightstream, because this controls everything that's running in the background. So switch back to status. I've loaded the program, that's ready to go, and it's connected to my computer. All is good. So I'll see you in the next lecture.